Welcome to Smart Decor Coohom tutorial. Today we will learn version 5.0 Introduction to Floor Planning and Layout. To begin, after drawing the layout, you can hide or delete the base map. Then if you select the wall, you can adjust the parameters on your right. You can also set the wall to custom height if you want. In Coohom 5.0, straight wall and rectangular wall are the same as the previous version. As for the curved wall, it is now smoother and easier to draw in Coohom 5.0. Next, we have three types of columns, which are square, circle and shaped column. You can always adjust the column parameters on your right. For beam, you now have two options, either to place it on the floor or the ceiling. Floor opening is used to make a hole. Useful for your staircase construction. Flue is normally used for fireplace. Now in 5.0 we have tools to draw external area. For your external area, you can choose with or without a ceiling. You can add partition wall if you want to. There are three types of bay window: linear, L-shape and U-shape. There's also another new tool, which is niche. Niche is used for us to make a hole in the wall. You can adjust the parameters on the right. Next is door and window opening. For door and window opening, you can adjust the size and arch on the right. Next is the layout function. Layout is used to do space planning in the fastest way. Choose the items on your left and drop it in the area you prefer. Layout serves as a guide, so that it'll be easier for you to find furniture models from public library.